What is the scientific name of rose? Rosa. Ice hockey is the national game of which country? Canada. Which is the third planet from the Sun? Earth. Oldest planet in solar system? Jupiter. Who was the founder of Flipkart? Sachin Bansal, Bini Bansal. Who was the founder of Instagram? Kevin Systrom. Who is the founder of Xiaomi? Lai Jun. What is the oldest game in India? Chess. Full form of AIM. Ambition in mind. When Facebook started? 2004. Indian economy is what kind of economy? Mixed economy. Smart money is a term used for credit card. Green banking channel started by which Indian bank? State Bank of India. Where is Dilwara Jain temple located? Mount Abu. Platinum Jubilee year of RBI. 2019. Which is India's first commercial bank? Outh Commercial Bank. Full form of Instagram. Instant Camera and Telegram. Full form of NCC. National Cadet Corps. Steel City of India. Jamshedpur. First Indian to take hat-trick in a test match. Harbhajan Singh.